Welcome to Mobo Billing for Odoo, your mobile solution for managing billing and invoicing anytime, anywhere. Create and manage invoices, track customer payments, issue credit notes, and view business reports, all from one easy-to-use app. To get started, download Mobo Billing from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Open the app, enter your Odoo server URL, select your database, and sign in with your username and password, and you're ready to manage your accounts data on the go. This is the Mobo Billing dashboard, your central hub for managing daily billing operations. View key business insights, including today's sales, total revenue, pending and overdue invoices, and active customers. Use quick navigation to access customers and products, while Continue Working One lets you resume recent tasks instantly. The Revenue Overview chart and Recent Activity section help you monitor business performance at a glance. The bottom navigation provides quick access to Dashboard, Invoices, Credit Notes, Payments, and Reports. Tap the floating Action button to instantly create a new invoice, customer, credit note, or payment. The Invoices menu lets you view and manage all customer invoices in one place. Use the search and filters to quickly find invoices, or tap any invoice to view its details, including customer information, products, payment status, and totals. To create a new invoice, select a customer, enter the invoice details, add products, and adjust quantities if needed. And the app automatically calculates the subtotal, taxes, and final amount before saving. The Credit Notes option lets you quickly manage all customer credit notes. Search or filter records, then open any credit note to view customer details, invoice lines, journal items, and the complete amount summary. The Payments section that allows you to register new customer or vendor payments by selecting the payment type, customer, amount, date, journal, and payment method. You can also review payment details, including status and banking information. Finally, the Reports section provides a clear overview of your business with KPIs, sales trends, invoice status, and top customers, helping you monitor performance and make informed decisions. Mobo Billing for Odoo brings complete financial management right to your fingertips. Seamlessly connect to your Odoo database, generate instant invoices, track payments, and monitor business growth wherever you are. Download Mobo Billing today on Android and iOS.